All right, say it with me. I can read and understand a word problem. Today, we are going to review the steps to be the boss of our math word problems. Remember these? This was when we knew it was addition. Now you guys are so smart, it could be addition or subtraction. So we're going to review subtraction today, giving you the opportunity to differentiate. Here are the steps when you don't know if it's addition or subtraction. Step 1, read the whole problem. Step 2, reread the problem, stopping at each period or punctuation mark. Step 3, ask yourself, what is the question asking? Step 4, circle the important information. Step 5, ask yourself, will I use addition or subtraction? And finally, step 6, solve. Now let's read the whole problem. Junie B was on level 444 on Prodigy. Her friend Gracie was on level 356. How many more levels has Junie B earned? Now we're going to read the whole problem, but stop at the periods. Junie B. Jones was on level 444 on Prodigy. Stop. Her friend Gracie was on level 356. Stop. How many more levels has Junie B earned? The first two sentences are giving us information, but the last one is asking. So I know that that is the question I need to find the answer to. How many more levels has Junie B earned? Step 4 is to circle the important information. I know that Junie B was on level 444, so I'm going to circle that. And I also know that Gracie was on level 356, and I need that to solve my problem too. So I'm going to circle it. Now, let's ask ourselves, will I use addition or subtraction? What we do know is that Junie B is on level 444 and Gracie's on level 356. And the question is asking how many more levels has Junie earned? Oftentimes, many more means subtraction. Last week's question asked how many in all, so I knew it was addition. This one must be subtraction because we're trying to find the difference between Junie B's level and Gracie's level. And now we need to solve the problem using the best strategy we know how. So I'm going to stay with the same strategy that I used before with a part whole math. I do have the total, 444. So I'm going to put that at the top. And then I do have one part, which is 356. So I'm going to put that on my mat too. What I don't know is the difference between 444 and 356. So I'm going to put a question mark there. So I know I'm going to use 444 minus 356 to solve my problem. 4 minus 6 I can't do, so I need to regroup. I'm going to cross out the 4 in the ones place and the 4 in the tens place. The 4 in the ones place becomes a 14 because I'm borrowing a 10 from the tens place and turning it into 10 ones. And the 4 in the tens place becomes a 3. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 3 minus 5, I can't do that either. So I need to regroup again. I'm going to borrow 100 from the hundreds column and turn it into 10 tens. And now the 3 becomes a 13, and the 4 in the hundreds place becomes a 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0, so I've got my answer. The difference is 88. Junie B earned 88 more levels on Prodigy than Gracie.